Hello guys, this is Vartika from MedShots Mnemonics. So today we will learn HIV drugs and firstly study about the pathogenesis and then the drugs. So HIV का pathogenesis, we have two proteins in the envelope, GP41 and GP120, and they fuses with the T cell receptors. Okay, now T cell have receptor CD4. Okay, and there is a one tunnel through which the virus gets the entry. The tunnel is CCR5. Okay, and some T cells have CXCR4. Okay, so depending on them the virus enters into the T cells. Okay, so after entering into the T cells, it is a single stranded RNA virus, so it will first, with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme, it will convert into the double stranded DNA viruses. And how it converts? Firstly, on the single stranded RNA virus the DNA develops, and then reverse transcriptase enzyme has the ability of digestion of ribonuclease. Okay, it has the activity of ribonuclease, so the RNA will be digested and the single stranded DNA will be converted into a double stranded DNA, and then the other process will go on. Now today we will only learn about the fusion inhibitors, how you can remember them. So first is the enfuvirtide. Now as it is, the name is having fusion, FU, so it is a fusion inhibitor. Now the mechanism you can read on it on your own. I am only telling about the mnemonics. Next is the fostemsavir. How you can remember this is स्टेमसा, इसके नाम में आ रहा है स्टेमसा. स्टेम का मतलब क्या होता है? पतला सा स्टेम है. Now if you have a मोटा सा bark and it is converted into a पतला सा stem, it has to fuse, no? So it is a fusion inhibitor. Next is the माराविरोक. माराविरोक कैसे याद रखोगे? मारा, तो जियान ने नोबिता को मारा, एंड यू रिमेंबर जियान हिट्स नोबिता इनसाइड अ टनल. You remember in Doraemon there is a tunnel only, and tunnel inhibitors is CCR5 inhibitor. So Maraviroc is inhibiting the CCR5. Okay, remember this drug can't bind with the CD4 cells having CXCR4. It is only binding to the CCR5. Okay, so you remember this Mara. Now then is Ibalizumab. तो हाउ यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस इज़ बाल. तो बोलेंगे कि उस लड़की के सर पे 4 बाल थे और फिर भी उसको बाल बनाने हैं. सो 4 बाल से तो CD4 रिसेप्टर्स, दे आर अगेंस्ट द CD4 रिसेप्टर्स. सो दैट्स हाउ यू कैन रिमेंबर देम.